Hey guys, so today we're going to practice matching shapes. I have my laminated sheet that has a flower on it with a bunch of different shapes in different colors. I have patterning blocks and I have some in a bowl here that are ready to go. You certainly don't have to have patterning blocks. You can use different pieces of paper and just cut them out in different patterns. And if you just have white taping paper, you can color it with a marker or a crayon. For this kind of paper, if you don't have this pattern, you can certainly draw on any kind of shape in the flower form and then kind of draw out your different shapes and color them in if you want to. So it doesn't necessarily have to be this fancy with all these materials. You can definitely make this yourself at home. So we're just starting to start off with showing you an example and reviewing our shapes for shape identification. So the first one that we have is an orange square, a green triangle, a red trapezoid, a blue rhombus, a brown diamond, a yellow hexagon, and then we have two more on the bottom on our leaves, and it's a blue rhombus and a green triangle. So we're just going to practice matching them. You can practice matching and identifying by both the shape and the color, or you can just focus on the shape. So what you're going to do is you're going to give your child the pattern block or the piece of paper, and you're going to say match. You could say match the hexagon or match a yellow hexagon if you wanted to practice labeling with them, but you could just say match, and hopefully they'll match to the center one. This is where the yellow hexagon is. And again, help and assist as needed. You can even model for them in the first time you do it. So you can put one down and then you can give them a second one and then they can match on top of yours if that's easier to match by object, if matching by picture is a little bit harder. So we'll keep this one here. We'll go on to the next one and you're going to give them this green triangle and you can just say match and they'll match it on the green triangle. If you want to do both green triangles back to back, you can, or you can practice a little bit later just to see if they definitely have the understanding that when you say match, they're matching this to the other green triangle. We're going to get our orange square and you can say match and they'll match it to the orange square. Again, if you find that your child is needing more modeling or more assistance, you could always keep the object on the picture. Sometimes matching object to picture is a little bit harder than matching object to object, so you can keep the object on the board and just say match again, and they'll match it to the other object. We'll practice with the trapezoid. It's nice because you're going to start labeling and they're going to start understanding the different words for these items if they don't yet know them. So you're also teaching them a lot of language skills, which is going to be really nice to this activity. Match, and they're going to match the red trapezoid. And we'll get the blue rhombus, and you can say match, and they'll match the blue rhombus. Again, you can do both rhombuses back to back, or if you're checking for understanding, you can go with the brown diamond, match a brown diamond, and then you're checking for understanding that they're going to match this blue rhombus later on after you've done some other ones that maybe were easier, a little bit harder. So you can say match and then match the blue rhombus. And then when you're done, you can always get into different items. We're going to do different lessons on this today. You can watch different videos, but if your child has different IEP goals, you could always ask for some items back just to check for the understanding. So can I have the green triangle? They'll give you the green triangle. You could say, can I have all the green items? And hopefully they'll give you both green triangles. You could ask for 3. So can I have 3 objects? And they will give you 1, 2, 3 objects. This will help with cleaning up, so it's not so much a chore of, okay, you have to clean up all your materials. It's kind of a fun game to practice cleaning up and doesn't seem so stressful. So we can say, can I have the green we already did green. Can I have the yellow hexagon? They'll give you the yellow hexagon. Again, if they're learning what cleaning up means or the direction of can I have or give me, you can always help them practice that by holding their hand and then bringing it to your hand. So try it out and let me know how it goes.